Hi, I'm Anthea from i.Comm Mobile Plus. We are dealing with new and pre-owned mobile phones and mobile accessories. Okay, as my staff is allergic to strong cleaning chemicals, so it's quite challenging to find a good cleaning agent. As we have to dilute certain agents, so we find it a bit troublesome. We choose Force of Nature as we find that it's very friendly and easy to use, as we find that the product is very safe and nature. Yes, we recommend Force of Nature as we feel that it's a long-term investment for us.